dan cium yang kecil jumur lang yang marok ya.
Power Minister A.T. Mondal has assured to provide electricity to Photeitsim village under Ranikor Civil Subdivision, Southwest Khasi Hills District. He made the assurance during the meeting with the delegation of the Khasi Students Union KSU, Southwest Khasi Hills District and KSU Ranikor Circle in his office recently. President of the KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District, Forward Man Nongrem, informed that during the meeting, the union has again reminded the minister on the urgent need of electrifying Photeitsim village, which is still without electricity till date.
Aku senang kalau hapa po yung Ranikor subdivision berkata kadi senang Photeitsim. Haka jing sya kani kamat lani kami kamat kabenta ban om kajing dawa ban ai boarding kani senang ngaji sya kam desu kajing dawa ka ban batmai na kaleng jo kaseng bat kini ngalam senang rai nadu kisnam arja kanyo ngala persang ban kandu ya ki bor pada pej jong ka MPDCL. Di untang kata hausnam arjar arpulairu haka spotrik jung bunai me jung snam arjar arpulairu ngila le ya kendu yo minister kata iti mondali ban kran pada bakani re ha tu ki por ki patla ban ai sharan ki dan kular ngi ban ai dan kini ki solar light